where the Pacific horizon becomes your living room. Welcome to Alvar Tower 6, a 4-bedroom, approximately 2,787 square foot condominium delivered in 2027 that redefines oceanfront living within the exclusive Alvar enclave of Quivira Los Cabos. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass frames, uninterrupted panoramas of the Pacific Ocean, and the Jack Nicklaus-designed fairways and year-round sunsets, folding open to an expansive open-plan living, dining, and gourmet chef's kitchen, anchored by an oversized island, built-in bar, and waterfall-edge counters with premium appliance options. 3 private terraces, more than 900 square feet of outdoor living in total, include a principal terrace with a plunge splash pool, lounge, and built-in barbecue for effortless sunset entertaining. 4 generous bedroom suites each offer walk-in closets and ensuite baths, complemented by a family room, utility, and ample storage. 2 dedicated parking stalls and secure storage at the parking level complete the practical comforts. Designed by GVI architects, the low-density tower limits each floor to just 2 residences, with elevator access and advanced soundproofing to ensure privacy and architectural refinement. Owners here enjoy immediate proximity to the beach, world-class golf, a beach club, and resort-caliber amenities, plus access to Quivira's exclusive lifestyle programs. Private tours available this week. Link in the description to book.